Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. If you want to support our channel, please be sure to like and subscribe. And if you like any of the items you see, be sure to check the description for links and discounts. Today we're headed to the UGG outlet store to try on the UGG NITA slippers. Now I also tried on the viral Tasman and the Taz, but I felt like these were just so much more comfortable, more stable, more sturdy, and I honestly think they're just going to be the next viral slipper. So go ahead and check them out. I will unbox them for you in a second, and then we will try them on at home. I did find that they were a little different when I got them home because I did order a fresh pair, and I do have some learnings. I do have some notes, so be sure to stick around until the end. All right, so first up, let's talk about the price. Now, these are $140 retail, although they are available on Nordstrom Rack for $119. At the outlet store, they were $140 minus, I believe, 20%. So a little bit more discount at the outlet, but they didn't have my size in store, so I did have to order them from Nordstrom Rack. They originally were not available online actually until a few days after I left the outlet, and I looked for them again and I was able to find them. So I'm not quite sure when these launched or if they are a new style or if they ever really made it to the official kind of off-brand like Nordstrom Rack or the outlet store, or if they were kind of a bust or what was going on. But that is where you can find them now. I will leave links in the description below. Now let's talk about the style for a second. The first thing that you're probably noticing is the platform. Now, if you are familiar with the other viral UGG slippers, the Taz or the Tasman with kind of the embellishment on the top, not the fur, you will notice that these do have the platform. So they're most similar to the Taz. Now, the main difference that I found with the Taz and the Tasman is that they are more of a clog slipper, while this is more of a booty. Now, of course, on screen right now, you are seeing the little leaflet that is included, and it does boast a few different temperatures that these can withstand. It actually says like minus 32 degrees as well as minus 20 degrees. So if you can make sense of this, please let me know in the comments below. I was very confused. It just seems very contradictory. So I was not very sure. Back to kind of talking about the style and the fit. So the reason why I ended up going with these over the Tasman or the Taz is because when I walked in the Taz or the Tasman, it felt a little bit like a flip-flop. And when I am thinking about a slipper around the house, I want something that I can easily slip on and off. I want something that I can't slip off too easily, like a mule or like a typical slipper without a back, because I do really want to focus on my posture and make sure that my feet are always on the ground. Now, that being said, I am 5'5", and I do find that the extra height kind of gives me, a different perspective walking around the house too. So I just think these are really fun. I love the olive green color. I thought they were really trendy, and they kind of go with my fall vibe winter palette. So overall, I really liked these. You saw at the beginning that we did try them in the chestnut at the store as well. They also come in a black color if you're interested in that. Now, trying these on at home, potentially what you have been waiting for, because they did give you kind of a cliffhanger. You're going to see me really struggle to put these on, and I didn't struggle this hard in the store. I don't know if it's because I did try on the display model, but these were really challenging, and it was kind of painful at the top, kind of where I'm pointing to, because I think the foothold was just not big enough. Now, I don't know if these ones were particularly defective or what was going on. I do really love the look, so I'm really bummed about this. I just felt like it was a little too tight. Now, I think everybody has one foot that is bigger than the other, and I think that's my right foot, so this one was even more challenging to get on. So overall, I will be returning these. It's really unfortunate. I would love to try them again, maybe in a different size, maybe in an 8, but I'm always a little bit skeptical with UGG because I do know that they squish or, stretch out a little bit. So it's kind of a loss for me. I might go back and try the Taz or the Tasman again because I do like UGG. I think it's really cozy and easy for the winter. But overall, maybe I'm just gonna stick with the mini boot and wait for something else to come out that's a little bit more my style. If you have any experience with this slipper or the Taz or Tasman, please let us know in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching, and be sure to subscribe.